Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on Suno. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Suno app and you click here in this page. Then we click on first app and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.